Let me start with a hard truth. Becoming a millionaire has never been easier and never been harder. Easier because AI, tech, and global markets give you access to opportunities that didn't exist 10 years ago. Harder because most people are distracted, broke, and following advice that's already outdated. If you think becoming a millionaire means winning the lottery, starting the next Facebook, or grinding 80 hours a week forever, you've already lost. In this video, I'll show you how modern millionaires are actually being created right now using AI, finance, and technology, even if you're starting with no connections, no trust fund, and no special talent. Stay until the end because the final section is where most people fail and where real money is made. Let's get into it. Part 1. The Millionaire Framework. 1001st, forget money. Millionaires don't chase money. They build systems that produce money. Here's the simple framework. Skill to leverage, to scale to invest. Most people stop at skill and wonder why they're broke. Employees trade time for money. Millionaires trade systems for equity. Right now, the highest leverage skills are AI automation software and no-code tools, data and analytics content, plus distribution financial literacy. You don't need all of them. You need one skill paired with leverage. AI is the cheat code here. Why? Because AI lets one person do the work of 10. If you can automate, optimize, or monetize a process with AI, you instantly become valuable, and value is what creates income. This brings us to the first real money move. Part 2. How to make money first. Quick question. If your bank account hits zero tomorrow, could you make money again within 30 days? If the answer is no, you don't have a money problem, you have a skill problem. Your first goal is not millions, your first goal is cash flow. Here are 3 high-probability ways people are making money right now. 1. AI-powered services businesses are desperate to automate customer support, generate content, analyze data, optimize ads. You don't need to build AI, you apply AI. People are charging $1,000 to $5,000 per month for AI. Automation $3,000 plus per website. Optimization recurring retainers for AI workflows. One client won't make you rich, 10 clients can change your life. 2. Tech-enabled freelancing. Traditional freelancing is dying. AI-enhanced freelancing is exploding. Designers using AI work faster. Marketers using AI outperform teams. Developers using no-code ship in days, not months. Speed equals money. 3. Content as a business. YouTube, X, TikTok, newsletters. Attention is the new oil. You don't need millions of views. You need the right audience and the right offer. Content builds, authority trust, inbound opportunities, and that leads to leverage. Part 3. Turn income into scale. Here's where most people mess up. They make money and then spend it. Millionaires reinvest aggressively. Once you have cash flow, your goal is to escape the income ceiling. You do that by building products, acquiring equity, owning assets. Examples: turn a service into a SaaS tool, turn consulting into a course or community, turn content into software, affiliates, or equity deals. AI helps here too. You can validate ideas. Faster build MVPs, cheaply automate operations. This is how one person becomes a company. And now let's talk about wealth, not income. Part 4. The Wealth Engine. Listen carefully. Income makes you comfortable. Assets make you rich. Millionaires don't rely on one stream of income. They build a wealth engine. 1. Businesses, cash-flowing machines, AI tools, agencies, SaaS, e-commerce. 2. Investments, stocks, index funds, crypto, startups. Money that works while you sleep. 3. Ownership, equity greater than salary. Ownership compounds. The mistake people make: they invest too early or too emotionally. First, stabilize income, build skills, create excess cash, then invest consistently, not impulsively. Boring money habits create exciting results. Part 5. The Mindset Shift That Creates Millionaires. Let's talk psychology. Most people don't fail because of strategy. They fail because of identity. Millionaires think in decades, not months. Systems, not shortcuts. Probabilities, not guarantees. They ask, how can I increase my upside? What scales without me? What am I building that compounds? They're not smarter. They're more patient and more intentional, and they don't quit when it gets boring. Here's the truth no one tells you. Becoming a millionaire isn't one big moment. It's 1,000 small decisions stacked correctly. Learn a high-leverage skill. Use AI as your unfair advantage. Build systems, not just income. Reinvest relentlessly. Think long-term. If you start today, 5 years from now, you'll wish you started sooner. And if this video helped you see money differently, hit like, subscribe, and comment systems. Because systems are how modern millionaires are built.